Bookworm. Literal meaning, a worm inside a book. Real meaning, a person who loves reading books. My sister is a real bookworm. Firefly. Literal meaning, a fly made of fire. Real meaning, a small insect that glows in the dark. We saw fireflies at night near the trees. Ladybug. Literal meaning, a bug that is a lady. Real meaning, a small colorful insect with black spots. A ladybug landed on my hand. Egghead. Literal meaning, a head shaped like an egg. Real meaning, a very intelligent person. People call him an egghead because he studies all the time. Butterfly. Literal meaning, a fly made of butter. Real meaning, a colorful flying insect. A butterfly landed on the flower. Hotdog. Literal meaning, a hot dog. Real meaning, a sausage inside bread. He bought a hot dog from the street shop. Blackboard. Literal meaning, a board that is black. Real meaning, a classroom writing board. The teacher wrote the answer on the blackboard. Greenhouse. Literal meaning, a green-colored house. Real meaning, a glass building where plants grow. Tomatoes are growing inside the greenhouse. Deadline. Literal meaning, a line related to death. Real meaning, the final time to finish something. I must complete the project before the deadline. Headphones. Literal meaning, phones for the head. Real meaning, devices used to listen to sound. She wears headphones while studying. Cupcake. Literal meaning, a cake inside a cup. Real meaning, a small sweet cake. She baked chocolate cupcakes for the party. Sunflower. Literal meaning, a flower made of the sun. Real meaning, a tall yellow flower. The sunflower turned toward the sunlight. Backpack. Literal meaning, a pack on the back. Real meaning, a bag carried on your back. He put his books in the backpack. Moonlight. Literal meaning, light coming from the moon. Real meaning, soft natural light at night from the moon. The lake looked beautiful in the moonlight. Footprint. Literal meaning, a printed foot. Real meaning, a mark left by a foot. We saw animal footprints in the mud. Blueberry. Literal meaning, a berry that is blue. Real meaning, a small sweet blue fruit. She added blueberries to her cake. Haircut. Literal meaning, cutting hair. Real meaning, a style made by cutting hair. Your new haircut looks great. Homework. Literal meaning, work from home. Real meaning, school tasks students do after class. I finished my homework before dinner. Raincoat. Literal meaning, a coat made of rain. Real meaning, a waterproof coat worn in rain. She wore a raincoat during the storm. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.